Hi there. Today we will walk you through the account management. First, admins can create manager and designer accounts. Create a new account. Fill in the username, email, password and role. This part can be readjusted later. Now, creating a manager account. Admins can do more actions with manager and designer accounts. As for managers, they can do the following operations. View and manage team projects. Copy team projects to their own projects and edit. Upload and manage products. Create and manage designer accounts. Personalize the public library and customization section. Finally, in addition to the basic features, the designer account can also be personalized. See you next time.